Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the correct UEViewer build for your target Unreal Engine, then place the UAsset or UMap into a single, easy folder. Once done, launch UEViewer and open the package via File Open or drag the file into the app. This immediately loads the asset table. Make sure to watch the console for detected engine version. If it's different, UEViewer will still attempt to parse, but you may need manual selection for best results. You now navigate the package tree to locate meshes, textures, and materials. Click any entry to see previews. Once there, switch LODs, enable normals or wireframe overlays to verify geometry. This helps spot missing UVs or flipped normals. When ready, right-click the asset and choose Export. Pick OBJ or FBX for models, PNG or TGA for textures. Make sure to set export options for scale and tangents. This preserves orientation and material information for downstream tools. You finish by importing exported files into your target tool, like Blender or Unity, and then remap textures and rebuild any broken material connections. Once done, check scale, pivot, and normals. Make adjustments so models sit correctly in scene. If UEViewer fails to parse a package, switch to manual engine version selection or enable the verbose console output to see errors. This usually reveals mismatched engine metadata or compression and guides you to the right workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.